Hey there, yep, welcome to Biking at Japan. This is the Backstreets of Kumamoto City. I wanted to show you using the Ricoh WG M1 sports camera for motorcycle cruise videoing. And it's pretty cool. It's a very good camera. It's a very excellent sports camera. It's waterproof up to 38 feet, I believe. It's shockproof. And so it does a really good job for sports camera, and it's very affordable. It's only about $150, yeah. This particular one I self-rigged on the handlebars using the helmet strap along with the video holder, the video adapter for holding it onto the strap, and just basically wound it around the handlebars and velcroed it together, and it does a pretty good job, but as you can see, it's a little bit wiggly. I could try to fix that in the end edit. There are ways to rectify the shakiness of it. I have since bought the handlebar clamp, which is a lot sturdier. It sits a little bit high, so that's one thing I really don't like about it. But back to the WG M1, it's a fantastic camera. Really great for shooting all kinds of sports events and fun things. I've taken it on my bicycle too and strapped it to my bicycle helmet, put it in my car. I hold it. The WG M1 has many kinds of adapters that you can buy to use for videoing. We're coming up here to the prison in Kumamoto City. Just in a couple minutes on the right, we'll see the Kumamoto prison, Kumamoto City prison, right here on the right. If you look right in there, right there on the right, you can't really see it so well, but that is the Kumamoto prison. And I chose this road because it's pretty small. Can't do a lot of zooming around because there's a lot of traffic, but it's small and it gives a good idea as to what the back streets of Kumamoto City, Japan are like, right? And I also wanted to, of course, show the usage of the WG M1. It's a really good camera. As I said, it's waterproof up to 38 feet. It's shockproof. It's got a really good, very good lens on it. It was a bit tricky to learn at first. The menu items are a little bit tricky to learn how to kind of record and then go back and look at your recording and to set it up the way you want it. You know, it takes a little bit of practice, but there's a lot of options. You can record for 25 minutes. Which is the default setting for 25 minutes for energy saving. So it automatically goes off after 25 minutes. But you can adjust it so it will loop record in 10-minute loops. However, you have to be very careful because it doesn't stop after some particular amount of time. It overwrites onto your media card again. So if you're not paying attention, you're gonna lose things, right? And I've done that actually. I've lost a few things because I wasn't paying attention and it had overwritten what I had just recorded, and some good things too. So I'm very careful now. This particular one was a looped recording, and this is only like a 4-minute video. But I edited some things together and just kind of, you know, we took the best of the best. So there you go.